Happy Easter, everyone. Okay, we're going to start our Easter egg hunt now. Let's go.
Quick, Emmy, get eggs.
Get your egg, put it in your basket.
A chicken? I love this one.
Oh, blue.
I get it.
Put it in your basket, Emmy. Have you found any other ones?
I found a chicken too.
You found a chicken.
Look what I got, a shaking bunny.
A shaking bunny. You found the big one.
I found one too.
You found one too.
I found one.
Very good. Put it in your basket. You have to keep looking everywhere, okay, guys? There's still a lot in this room.
Then look at this one.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
What's
Big
the
one.
black one?
I cracked one. That's okay. It still tastes good, I bet.
Yeah. Where are the others?
Anywhere you find one, Emma.
Look.
You found it. Good girl.
Look how much I've got here. It's your colour.
My favourite colour.
And Mummy's favourite colour.
Oh, yellow, yes.
Found one. Look, I found one.
Put it in your basket. Start doing both. Different speeds.
Look at the horse. Look at the horse. One's under the horse. One's under the horse.
Oh, those books are strange. What
Look.
are
What are those books doing there? I don't
Mummy's
know.
favourite colour, your favourite
they?
colour.
Oh, it's green. What are those Minecraft books doing in the middle of the floor, Liz?
What's that pillow doing there? Oh, I don't know.
Where's another one?
What's the spot book doing here, like this?
Look, I found a Mummy's favourite colour.
You want to look under the spot book, Emma?
Egg.
Yay. Come on, let's go to your room, Ems.
To say my egg.
Yeah.
And I get this one.
Wow, so many, so colourful.
Like, can I grab it open now?
What, you want to keep hunting, Emma? Where's the
You think once you find one?
Yeah, you have to look.
I found a chocolate carrot.
You found a carrot.
Look.
Oh, you found one. Cubot.
Look. A robot. One was on robot.
You have to check behind bunnies because bunnies might have things behind them.
Look, one on there. Look behind the kitty. They aren't usually there.
That's right.
And the ice cream. Look. Eggs.
Eggs. Eggs everywhere.
Eggs everywhere. There's a chocolate. There's a chocolate carrot. A chocolate here.
Not in there, no. What about near your bunk?
Look
Ruth?
here. Here.
Miff is a bunny.
Miff. Miff is a bunny.
Miff is a bunny. You have to check behind Miff.
More.
Oh, there's none up there, Liz. And yeah.
Is there one?
Ah,
Look inside.
And yeah, that's
oh, there's plenty more.
plenty.
Look, one. One there. There's one leg into the cupboard.
Can you reach?
Yes.
Good girl.
But you might try something like this. Ah, you got those, did you?
Yeah, go in the lounge room, Ems. I think there's more there.
Yeah, Ems?
One here.
No, there's none there.
Look. This one.
Back in the lounge room, Luz.
Look, lemon in here.
On the stairs.
Look, this one.
Careful, Ems. On the stairs.
Wow, that's a big basket full.
What about on the couch, Emma?
Some lay here. Your favorite colour? Their favorite colour and their favorite colour.
And how about on your red chair, Emma? Do you think there's any there?
Ooh.
Look, red, that's my best colour. It's matching the colour pink.
Very
There's more
good.
in here, Liz.
There's more in there.
You got it on the heater, right? You miffy. You miff.
Okay, I think that's about it.
No, can we share it now?
Yeah. Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy